Hi guys. We're representing engineering at LSBU.
Your name?
My name's Abdul.
My name's Alexa.
I'm Nicole.
We study civil engineering.
I study mech eng.
On a construction site, you could have both mechanical and civil engineering. So civil engineering will deal with the structure and where like all the beams and making sure it actually stands like tall and can deal with all the loads that are being applied to it. Whereas mechanical will deal with more of the intricate stuff. So like normally building services and like lifts and stuff like that. So it'll be more about the things that make it more usable.
We create the lift and then you can fit the lift.
Yeah, we create the lift shaft, you fit it.
So I guess at the end of the day, we need each other for it to
we
work.
do.
Because without us, there's no you. Without you, there's no us.
That's a great point.
So
that is a great point.
Teamwork.
Don't
air her. There we go.
I think the best way for you to work out what type of engineering you want to go into is to essentially do a lot of research, because as Abdul mentioned, I also had no idea that there was so many varieties to engineering. I didn't know the difference between mechanical, electrical, civil, absolutely new knowledge. So when it comes to the actual research and learning about it and seeing the difference, what I get to do, and I feel like also looking at the website and what the modules offer and what you get out of it will really help you to decide which one you want to go into.
So I did mechanical engineering at level 3 and I'm now doing civil. So I have technically done both. I would say that mechanical engineering is a lot more detail orientated. So a lot of the time when I remember doing mechanical engineering is you're normally doing it to a lot of significant figures because you need to be as accurate as possible. So the tolerances is normally like plus or minus 1 mil in some cases, and sometimes it's even smaller, especially with like like aerospace engineering and airplane engineering and stuff like that. So the tolerance is a lot smaller. But with civil engineering, it's a lot larger numbers, but then the risk is a lot greater, if that makes any sense. So for example, if we underestimate the loads that can be taken on a system, on a beam system and stuff like that, an entire building could fall down.
So I'm studying mechanical engineering. I'm going to take you through mechanical engineering, what it is basically like in a day of me being a student. I'm a final year student, so you're going to get to see a lot of the final stage stuff. Just before you go off to industry, you get to see what I get to see. So I'll try and get you as much access as I can in terms of the intricate parts, or maybe even not so well-known parts of the university. So some of the stuff that we use is quite specific. So I'll try and get in as many places as I can, and hopefully give you a more holistic view of what to expect.
So we both do civil engineering, and we're going to try and give you an insight on what it's like to be a civil engineering student, try and give you the fun little sides of it and also the late nights at the library sometimes. But, you know, we'll have a lot better views over on our side, you know, the views on top of a building unfinished, and maybe a few
on site,
yeah, railways, tunnels, the bits that not a lot of people get to see. So, yeah, it'll be exciting.
Stick around and come find out.
Yeah.